What's up, Guru Gang? It's your girl, the Natural Guru here, back with another video. And today's video is going to be a hair video. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all 1,622 of you who have subscribed, especially while I was on my hiatus. I really appreciate you. And for those who are new, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We love y'all over here, and I pray that you enjoy my content. So let's get into this realistic, detailed wash day. So I always start off by drenching my hair so I can detangle it. And so far I've been liking this SheaMoisture hydrating conditioner for my detangling process. It really makes it easier. And like I said, this is really going to be a realistic wash day. And you're going to be seeing me making faces because my hair is tangled right now because I wore it out in the twist out. So, you know, the detangling process sometimes hurts. So I just wanted to show y'all like what I literally do. This is what I do every 2 weeks. So I'm going to let y'all watch and I'll come back when I'm at the next stage of my wash day. right, y'all. This shampoo has easily became one of my favorite shampoos, above my SheaMoisture shampoo. And y'all know I love that shampoo. But this one gets my scalp clean. It detangles my hair. It doesn't strip my hair. I can literally comb my shampoo through my hair without it being tangled or stripped. And this is the Lustrasilk shampoo. I think it's the curl enhancing shampoo to be exact, but everything will be in the description box down below, of course. But y'all, if y'all have not tried this, please try it. I got this shampoo from the beauty supply, but All of Destiny recommended this brand, and I fall in love with it. Like, even the hair mask, which I will do a review on in the future, but go and get this shampoo. So this was the first time I tried this conditioner from Aunt Jackie's Aloe and Mint line. I've tried the curl pudding and it was a 10 out of 10. So I was trying to figure out if I liked it or not. And I really don't know why I'm placing this conditioner on my head like this. But anywho, the conditioner was definitely like minty. It made my scalp feel very fresh, and it was also very thick. So when you do apply this conditioner, make sure you drench your hair before or after so you can have a good comb through, a good tangle. But applying it, it went on smooth after I drenched it, and overall it made my hair soft. Only thing I would say is that it could possibly cause a little bit of dryness because of the mint, but it did not do that to my hair. But I can see how if you continue to use it, it probably can do that. And it said leave on for 5 minutes for best results. So I give this conditioner a 10 out of 10. I definitely will be repurchasing it in the future. So y'all know that I love me some Camille Rose products, and I am applying the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. I've been using this for a while, and it's definitely one of my favorite masks to use. It's very conditioning, and it works best if you put it under a cap and you let it sit for, I believe, 15 to 20 minutes. It's detangling. Again, make sure your hair is drenched when you do apply this mask. And I'm telling y'all, once you apply it, sometimes I like to add that SheaMoisture hydrating conditioner on top of it just to get some extra moisture in my hair, just to bring it back to life after those 2 weeks of being out and being hit by the cold and different weather, you know. So I definitely love this mask. I give it a 10 out of 10. This is a microwavable deep conditioning cap I got from TJ Maxx for $6. I'll try to find an affordable one and tag it down below. But yeah, it was definitely a steal. So right now I am rinsing out my hair with cool water. That's what the Camille Rose Deep Conditioning Mask says to do. And I find this very helpful with making my hair soft and locking in that moisture. It definitely works. I remember my friend Kendra telling me that back in college. And I was like, I cannot use cold water to rinse out my hair. But y'all, it works. And she has long, beautiful hair. So this is in the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this hair content. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I will see y'all in my next video, Guru Gang. Love y'all. Bye.